So hello everyone, for today's video I'm going to slaughter goat. So it's so nice to be back. I miss you all. Do you miss me? So now I will get the goat over there and slaughter it. So I will wear apron. I have to wear my apron. Takuan ang akong ulo eh. Oh my God. Sada ka. Kapalitan sa kaulan. So have to wear apron no for this video. Oh my gosh. And then... So guys, this is the goat that I'm going to slaughter. Come here, goat. You have very big tummy, oh, full of kuan.
Spotted. Gibang pa siya. Pipakaonig kayo.
So guys, this is the goat that I'm going to slaughter. Come here, goat. Oh, it's an airplane. Hey, goat. Are you ready? So guys, it's so nice to be back. So for how many months? I'm so glad that I am back. Do you miss me? I miss you all and I miss it. This will be the first animal that I'm going to slaughter for this year. So it's been, I think, 9 months, no? That I don't slaughter animal. Now I am back. So, goat, are you ready? Come here. Come here. Oh, I have to. Mm, 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 mm. Oh. Okay. You. You are scared? Hmm? Oh. So I will tie the legs of the goat. You shut up. So guys, I will hang the goat. Daog lang guro na ko din. It's time to hang the goat. Mm. Really? Yeah. Sige. Oh my gosh. Look at that goat. me. And look at that poor goat. Oh. Oh. Look at me, I look so bloody. Oh. Yeah. Oh, it's so heavy. So this is the goat and this is the goat intestine. I look so sweaty. Oh, this is the poor goat. Oh, look at that. I slaughtered the goat and this is the intestine that I have removed. I look so sweaty. It's nice to be back. I miss you all.
Wala ka tingog na.
Oh, look at my boots. Full of blood. So that's the goat and the intestine. So guys, nagkatay kami ng kambing. So ayan si Lian may naglinis. Oh, di ba? So mga lamang loob na siya. So sa susunod ay maghihon tag baboy na puno eh. Maglechon. So dara wali ako kayo ilang giinitan. Padakon sa na nato day. Piggy, are you all right?